Hello and welcome back to Trend Tech Guide. Today I will show you how to see the estimated 30-day revenue of any YouTube channel on Social Blade without needing to log in. Let's take MrBeast's official channel as an example. First, go to socialblade.com and type MrBeast in the search bar. On his profile page, scroll down to the monthly earnings section. Here you will see an estimated range of his earnings for the last 30 days, usually displayed as a low and high estimate. This data is available for free and doesn't require you to log in or subscribe. Keep in mind these are just estimates based on views and ad rates, so actual earnings may vary. If this helped you, please like, subscribe to Trend Tech Guide and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help.